This delivery driver ran into a dog waiting out front of the house.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
The dog kept barking, so he carefully moved closer and let it sniff his hand to show he meant no
How
harm.
you doing? You want a treat? I got a treat.
Luckily, he always carries treats for moments like this, so he pulled one out and offered it to the dog.
Good dog.
After that, the dog instantly calmed down and he was finally able to drop off the package. Before heading off, he stayed a bit longer just to give the dog some pets.
Sweet dog. Sweet dog.
At that point, the dog was completely won over and it honestly looked like it would follow him if he had another treat ready. He's adorable.